been listening you, 'cause I hear everything you say.
My shorts and make little skulls, and I'm gonna make some cool shit, Life's a Beach kind of style stuff on my shorts, my dirty old shorts, and you're gonna watch me dye my shorts. Friend my lip.
Pour some more water on the stone so I can sweat a little more.
You probably could get some cement, you know?
Let's go buy cement.
Secret exit.
Let's go find Bob Hope's ghost.
Oh my god, he did it! Oh my... Oh, it's hot, so hot. Oh, ooh, that's hot. Nick's gonna eat a bug for donnyTV, and I'm gonna find something that I can trade to give to Nick in return. Yeah. So.
Good luck, Nick.
So.
Is there such thing as a boner bug?
I'm gonna find a prize for Nick, and then I'm gonna find a June bug, and Nick said he would eat a bug for donnyTV.
The answer on that plate.
I've got this very rare and like almost sold out GTX model kit.
Cigars.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, look at me. I'm in. All right.
Okay.
All right. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Woo! Okay.
Warning: the time wasted watching this video is non-refundable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Yeah, Nick.
Hey, send this to my mom.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Thank you. Did it for donnyTV.
Yeah.
It's a damn good cause.
You're watching donnyTV.
Cartoons by Trevor.
A wild thing, I think you moved me.
That's beautiful, Senator. The kids will love it.
But I want to know for sure.
That's it. Bear down.
Come on and hold me tight.
A little more Boston soul, Senator.
You move me, yes.
So your brother told everyone you were Sam?
My brother told all the chicks in the college town that I was Sam from Different Strokes, and then I could do whatever I fucking wanted, dude. Whatever I wanted. They'd bring me to all the parties. I never drank, I never smoked weed, I never did drugs. I was like, chicks on my lap, I'm like taking bong rips and keg stands.
When the gals sit on you,
I still have people to this day telling me. I still have people going, "Is that's Sam from Different Strokes?" And I'm like, "No, that can't be still going, dude. That was like a lie."
You're watching Donny TV.
I got a few packages in the mail. I got a package from my friend Brian Liu at
Super 7.
Really excited about this. He sent me some goodies. I can't wait. Thanks, Brian. Thank you, man. I'm stoked. Comicon. It's going to be about a 2-hour drive through the mountains and then off to San Diego. Here's a zoo. Here's Sideshow. We got Chris in the house.
Really pretty good.
What's that? Skin flap.
What's up? I'm trying to text my mom right now.
Need some good, Donny TV stuff.
Yeah. And we're here because we're gonna do a documentary all about Last Gas. 50th anniversary next year. The main guy is not here. He went for a piss, so you're gonna miss him. But yeah, we're here making documentaries about stuff like weirdo.
Look at all his.
Donny, the #1 in the Fawny game, all right?
All right, I gotta go. Thanks, guys.
I gotta make a film with him. Please have mercy on me.
Welcome in, folks, to the Witch Studios here in Palm Springs. It's the origination point for today's version of the Press Box, presented by Perform Better on 103.9 ESPN. I'm Matt McKay. Birthday boy Judd Spicer is across the console from me, and also sitting in with us today for the entire hour, Donny Gillis. And Donny, you and Judd both jump right in here. I struggled to try to explain what you are and what you do because I didn't want to pigeonhole you as any sort of artist that just does this. So how would you explain what you do?
Made it through security. It's early. Going to San Francisco.
How are you? What's happening?
What's up?
Nice to see you, D.
Nice to see you too. What's up?
Get in here.
What's happening? Get in. Oh boy. Tacos. We're here at, how's your taco? We're here at Taco Shop. My favorite spots. Free go watch.
My boats sink. My boats don't sink. My boats don't sink. Niagara boat.
Niagara boats.
Get some boats. Get a boat. If you want to get a boat, come see me about a boat. If you want a little boat, come see me about a little boat.
Niagara boats.
Niagara boats. Boat.
Niagara boat. Niagara boat.
Boats. Buy boats. There's a bottle opener. It doesn't work.
The bottle opes.
Don't forget to subscribe to Donny TV.
What's up? I'm trying to text my mom right now. tell her to take out the chunky milk out of the barn. What's up? Are you guys doing? Are we doing Donny TV? Donny. What's Donny TV? Donny. The greatest man on earth. Donny. And I can't rhyme anything with Donny. Like, what rhymes with Donny? Donny, the #1 in the fun game.